For your convenience and comfort, additional switches for seat operation can be found in the second seat row area. If passengers would like to enter the third seat row, the second row of seats needs to fold and move forward. This can be done by pulling the lever and folding the rear backrest. The seat will automatically move all the way forward. The speed of the movement has been kept low for safety reasons. Press the button to reach the home position. You can cancel the movement by pressing the button again. The home position is particularly handy in case of installing a child seat. You can find two switches to operate the third seat row when entering your vehicle. Press or pull the switch once in order to fold the seat up or down. Both seats can be operated conveniently from one side of the vehicle. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.